Yesterday, I woke up at Della Falls. Right now, I am on the Christie Falls trailhead because my buddy Nathaniel from Jasper just came into town and he's not letting me rest. We are gonna go explore the falls, go for a swim, and then basically go to my house and get a good night's rest tonight. Let's go check this out. That is an owl right there, and he's just chilling, checking us out. So a little backstory on how Nathaniel and I met. We actually used to play music together right after I got out of high school, and actually during high school a bit. He is also a waterfall enthusiast, and that makes knowing him 10 years later, 12 years later, absolutely beautiful for me, because already in just about a year, we have seen so many waterfalls together. We have seen so many nice views together. We've just been all around Vancouver Island. So the next trip we do is definitely gonna be where he's living in Jasper. And I can't wait to show you guys some waterfalls out there. It's gonna be absolutely incredible. So we've just arrived at Christie Falls here, and we're gonna start the hike up. Do you miss Walmart?
Winnipeg Walmart specifically.
Yeah, so right after doing Della Falls with about 40 pounds worth of gear, this Christie Falls hike is a breath of fresh air. Yeah, so some people actually stay at this cabin here. A little piece of history for you here. So yeah, people actually camp in here for sure. It's a little cobwebby and stuff.
Kind of creeped out to stay here, but it's kind of cool.
It's kind of neat though, yeah. So yeah, this is like you set up a sleeping bag here. Looks like some people set up some maps here as well. I don't know if this is attached, but up here, got a little skylight there. So this waterfall right here is actually completely dried up right now. In the winter, it's absolutely gorgeous. So we actually just got to the big wall fall, and we're gonna go for a swim. Super slippery, that's the one thing that makes me a little nervous, but definitely be worth it to get right underneath for sure. So this is actually Nathaniel's first time at Christie Falls, and we've met a couple of other awesome guys here. They're gonna join us getting to the top of the falls here. There's not a whole lot of water volume here today, but still really, really beautiful. So this is actually the first time that I've been able to get right in the middle of the rocks atop this waterfall. We're lucky enough that we can go right across it and maybe even get to the very top. I'm pretty stoked to see what's up there, as I've never been too high up here before, so. So the sun's probably gonna be setting within the next like hour or so, so we're actually gonna head her on out of here and get back home and go get a good night's sleep before we get lost in the dark. Wow, wouldn't it be nice if this had more water? Oh, time travel hurts my head. At least we got the water volume we asked for. a second. I think there was a sunset we were about to see. Yeah, let's get back to that.
Kevin, I need some Kevin in my life.
So I do see a sunset here and we're going to go chase it as best as we can. We're probably just gonna drive down to the water in Ladysmith here. Oh man, look at how red it is over there, but we came here. Oh no. Still a really, really pretty spot. So we haven't decided what we're doing yet tomorrow, but we got half a day tomorrow to go explore together. So we're gonna head back to Nanaimo now and hopefully get a little bit of the sunset on the drive back. So we just made a stop at Red's Bakery here because Nathaniel was hungry and he wanted to do something local. We ended up getting our hands on some pretty good food for him to try. So what did you get there?
It's pulled pork and cheese, pasta, like macaroni sort of thing. You know?
So to end this night off, we just decided to come down to the Nanaimo Departure Bay waterfront, and we're just gonna kind of chill out here for a little bit and then head to my place and get some shut-eye so we can go check some more stuff out tomorrow. So I just got here to Little Qualicum Falls with Nathaniel. We're day 2 of doing some exploring on Vancouver Island together. So I haven't been to Little Qualicum Falls too many times. It's a pretty popular spot. When you come here, there's always gonna be people here. It's still absolutely beautiful. I absolutely love it. None of the waterfalls are really huge, but the water is absolutely gorgeous. It's definitely a nice place to come hang out with your family, hang out with, you know, your friends. If you're wanting an easier walk, this is definitely the place to be. Just the amount of little waterfalls and rapid sections there are here makes for a really, really nice walk actually. And we got great weather, beautiful sunny day. I think it's 27 degrees out. So we're really starting to feel like it's summer. So Little Qualicum Falls here concludes the end of the first part of our journey here on Vancouver Island together. Next weekend, we start our journey to the Juan de Fuca, where we're gonna see tons of waterfalls, and I can't wait to go camping again. We'll see you guys all in the next Falling Down.